Agosipkei ak tebutik choton kimen kot missing chekakomuch komong ogiliege chebo Dr. Eric Mutai chebo Jeffa Kingi kokakomuch speaker nebo National Assembly noton ko Jeffa Kingi kokon ngatutiet nekakomach kekon ofisaek anan kipng'omotinik chebunu serikalit netoror choton chetelelchin muswoknotetab kasari anan ICT asikobit koek kobureito ak ofisaek chebo ICT kobun serikalitab county nebo Kericho akekusikong missing akobo tetutiet noton nebo muswoknotet nekimuch keboisien en biretab kura moe Jeffa Kingi kole en nguni kemoche kenai imanda koto kimiten yautik chebo boisiet neya ne muswoknotet noton nebo kasari nekiboisien en istoetab Dr. Eric Mutai en serikalitab county and county assembly nebo Kericho kotomo kekon tilet noton nekot keisto Dr. Mutai en kandoinatet ana wendi kotesetai koboisiechin county nebo Kericho.
Communication Technology ICT Authority of Kenya and request the authority to provide the Senate with 2 ICT experts to come and assist the Senate in this matter. I direct that the Office of the Clerk provides facilities for the 2 experts from the ICT Authority to sit with the head of ICT of Kericho County Assembly and the ICT expert called by the Governor together with the representatives, whether council or otherwise, of the County Assembly and the Governor, and for the experts from the ICT Authority to prepare a report for consumption of the Senate. The report, which must be brief and concise, should be submitted to the Office of the Clerk of the Senate not later than 6 p.m. today, Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and must answer the following questions. 1. Did an electronic voting process take place using the system? 2. Is the number of MCAs who voted on the impeachment of the governor verifiable? Number 3. Was it possible for any MCA or any other person who had a link to vote on the motion on behalf of an MCA or another MCA? Number 4, how many MCAs voted in the affirmative on the motion to impeach the governor? Number 5, is there any evidence of multiple voting or other compromise of the voting system and or impropriety in the voting system or process? It is so ordered.
Gisto engaged up calling